Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. In this video, I can't believe it, but it is fall. Y'all, it is time for pumpkin spice, Halloween, football games, back to school, all the fall sweater weather vibes. So with that comes a whole new collection of planner goodies so that we can plan our fall season. In this video, we are unboxing the fall collection from Rongrong, who is a chic fashion illustrator, and she makes lots of fun planner goodies for us to play with. So we're going to unbox her fall collection. Halloween stickers, fall stickers, and Bookworm number 2 because Bookworm number 1 was so popular. And also 12 rolls of washi pet tape. Let's jump in. Okay, we have 3 sticker books and 12 pet tapes to flip through. So I grabbed my washi tape notebook and we're going to swatch them all in here. I found a couple of blank pages, so I'll have a place to swatch the washi tapes there. So let's do the book flip throughs and then we'll do all 12 washi tapes. Okay, all 3 sticker books are listed at $33. The washi tapes are $15.99. I will have the prices in the description box, but definitely go over to Rongrong's website first and see what she has for bundles or for free shipping or for coupons. If you're on her wait list, she often sends a coupon code. So I'll send you the link and all the details in the description box so that you can get all of that information before you shop, because you definitely want to use those bonuses when they're available. All right, let's flip. I'm so excited. Wait, let's look at the back. So here's all the sticker books, a little bit about Rongrong. This is called Hey Boo sticker book. There are paper stickers. I am absolutely obsessed with this color palette because pink. I love pink. So pink for Halloween, the pink and orange combo, pink and black and orange. I'm obsessed. So I'm pretty sure she usually has some paper stickers and some clear stickers in here. So we'll see as we flip through. Like, I love the roses and the pink and black florals. Oh my gosh, this is already my favorite. And I've only seen 3 pages. I love it, love it, love it. It's got a little bit of a spooky theme, but it's still super cute and girly. I love it so much. Oh, these are some of my favorite stickers with that little torn edge on them. Love those. So far, these are all paper stickers. Oh my gosh, look at the little candy corn, this little pumpkin with the pink. So cute. You guys, if you're into the spooky season, this is a must have. On Wednesdays, we wear black. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm so excited about this. This is really fun. I love the themes because it just makes you smile. It just gives you something to look forward to and just have a little fun, creative time in your planner. I'm obsessed. This is gorgeous. So cute. Love the themes, love the colors. So all of those were paper. This page is clear. So you have your clear stickers, you have some clear strips, your alphabet and some numbers. These are clear also. Decorative stickers. Really super cute. Sweet and spooky. This is Halloween. I love the pumpkins. Fabulous. The girls. Of course, we have to have our planner girls in their costumes. These are all clear so far in this back section. Look at the little haunted house. So cute. Love. So it looks like half the sticker book is, the front half is paper stickers and the back half is clear. I'm obsessed. I cannot wait to do the plan with me with this sticker book. If you got it, haunt it. Hocus pocus pop. Trick or treat yourself. Love it. Love it. So cute. Obsessed. It's my favorite. I love it. For all of you who love sweater weather, Here is Amer Allure fall inspired sticker book. All the fall vibes and colors, fall leaves colors. Oh, let's check it out. So this has like a cozy book study vibe to it, like golden, what do they call that antique color? There's a crayon, that antique gold kind of a color. Yes, so this is all fall cozy. These are paper stickers. Ooh, I love this little like color swatch kind of thing. That's really pretty. Love that. Box stickers on paper. And all three of these have matching pet tapes too, which we will get to in the next section. One of my favorite things is fall leaves. Like, I love fall leaf stickers. Those make great bullet points too. Hopefully you can see them. Ooh, and there's matching bullet points. Love. So this is like really good functional. It's decorative, but it's got a lot of good functional stickers in it. Look at this checklist. Obsessed. I love that. Has like some, I really love plaid too. So this has a little bit of a plaid. This was plaid. I don't know if you can see it on camera. This is like a plaid border on it. So these are all paper. Ooh, I love how these are like artistic. Not just the boring squares. Like, look at this tape. That is so cool. I love that. And this one with the torn edge. Obsessed with that. That is awesome. I love these kind of cutouts and like that. That's so cool. Here's some more plaid strips. And these are all paper so far. Ooh, I like these words. Plaid, pumpkin, scarves, romance, gratitude, autumn leaves. I like the backgrounds and the different colors. Here's some plaid washi strips. Love those. And then some clear stickers. Let's see if these are all clear. Yeah, so the back half is clear, same as the first sticker, but the front half is paper. So here's all our decorative. I love this one. I like that background with the just color swatch. Ooh, that's pretty. Quotes. I love quotes. There's always a quote in each of my planner spreads. Pumpkin spice vibes here and sweaters. Cozy. Cozy fall. Ooh, look at that washi strip. All the books. Cozy socks. Ooh. Our Rongrong girls in their fall fashion. Ooh, I like the ones that are already trimmed for you so they're easy to put in your planner. The florals with the trimmed edges. Ooh, I love that tape. Ooh, I love these too. Little cutouts of newspaper. Oh, that's gonna look so cool in your planner. Ooh, I love these. Lots of cool new surprises in this sticker book. Next up, Bookworm Volume 2, collab with JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. Let's check it out. Tell me in the comments if you are a bookworm and you're tracking reading time in your planner. Books to read, book reviews. I always like that because I read, like, I have read a lot of books and I literally can't remember. I didn't take good notes on the book to know, did I read it? Did I like it? Like, what were my takeaways? I need to be better at writing my own book reviews so that I know, like, if I'm looking for something, like, where did I read that? I can go back and find it. That would be smart, but I'll have to like reread things to do it. I love this bookshelf, and it's all cut out. See how it's like cut out in the shape of the books? So you can put a background. That'll look really, really, really cool. Currently reading, so you can track your books as you're reading them. More book trackers and your book list. Ooh, and you can score them. Ooh, I love that too. I love these trackers. That's a great idea. Another way to write in your books and give them a score. Favorite book quotes. Ooh, I like that too. And I love how these are cut out and look like paper. Really cute. So 2 pages of those. They're different ones. This book belongs to. There's definitely a few that I need to put these stickers into that are keepers that will stay on my bookshelf. I do get a lot of books from the library though. Reading trackers. I've seen a lot of these on Instagram where people are filling in their trackers. More reading trackers. I love how they look like bookshelves. And you can color them. Here's some washi strips. Ooh, numbers. More of the books. I love that. Numbers and letters. Ooh, lots of good books. You can make lots of bookshelves in your planner spread. That looks really cool. Here's our decorative stickers with your Rongrong girls, bookstore. I like the teal and fall colors. No ice skating here in Florida. Only inside in the rink with lots of air conditioning on. So these are clear fall decor, cozy bookworm decor. Ooh, look at that. That's cool. So that's one big washi strip. Cozy snacks for reading. We got some reading and book quotes here. Get lost in a book. When in doubt, go to the library or the bookstore. Very, very nice. Leave a comment down below and tell me which of these fun sticker books is your favorite. Okay, we can fit 4 on a page. I have them in order. I have the list right here. So this first one is called Autumn Cider Pet Tape. Okay, this is Autumn Cider. I want to grab this, like, oops, I totally ripped that one in half. All right, let me grab the next one. Okay, first up we have Autumn Cider, and the cool thing about this is it's not shiny, it's a matte clear. So let's grab off a couple of these to put in our swatch book here. And then I guess at the end I'll write in all the names. So I'm gonna leave that there so you can see it. I love these colors, so pretty. So this is neat because it's like a box sticker. I'm gonna put it like that though. And because it is matte. So let me add on a couple more of these. Go down here. And how many did I say I could fit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 per page I have to be able to squeeze in here. So I'll just put a few stickers from each one like that. I love that this is matte and clear. Let me show you up close. Look how cool that is. Okay, we have Autumn Cider, Enchanted Fall, Sunset Floral, Halloween Floral, Cozy Bookworm, and Amer Allure. Let me just show you up close. Here are those 6 that I just unrolled, and here they are up super close. See how it's matte? And they're just gorgeous. I love these, all of them. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and unroll the other 6 and do the same thing on this page and write the names on so that you can see them up close too. Okay, everything is swatched. I'm obsessed. I love them all. I love the matte background because they look so cool on the paper. And I want to show you how I kind of separate them when I swatch them. And I like to swatch and put the name on there because that way you know what's what. And then you can just take your pen or your marker and then just like draw a little outline. I do it kind of freehand, just kind of like this, to kind of separate the sections so that you know which stickers go with which collection, like that. So like this one, I'm gonna outline here like that. And this pumpkin one like that. So that way you know this is Sweet September here, this is Autumn Pumpkin, but you can still make it kind of like a collage in your swatch book. Look how gorgeous. I have a little space here. I could add a few more. Look how great all of these look. I love these. I'm so happy that Rongrong sent me this collection to share with you. You guys, I love this stuff. All right, so check out the description box to see all the details and watch my plan with me next. Hey Boo will be the theme, and I hope you enjoy your Rongrong stickers. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to watch new planner videos all the time, and make sure you head on over to theplannerschool.com and check out all the planning classes and memberships. Fun new things coming soon there. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!